Once again, I am here at Mall of Asia for taking a video here in front of this beautiful jeepney. This jeepney is using for interviewing the qualified outbound, inbound, and non-voice account as a call center agent. This beautiful jeepney with color violet. Yeah. Philippines. This is the side. And it's the beautiful view of San Agustin Church.